All right, everybody, how y'all doing today? So this is going to correspond with my other video that talks about the LG front load washers shocks, what to look for as far as damage, how they operate, how to rebuild them, things of that nature. Here in this video, I've got like 2 or 3 pieces of clothing inside the washer, and I'm going through the test mode, trying to show how bad this thing vibrates with those aftermarket shocks on there. As you can tell in the video, that thing's dancing all over the place there, and it's only got like a, I think it's 2 towels and a shirt or something in it. I'm getting ready to transition over, and in this part of the video here, I've actually put the original shocks back on it after I had inspected them and greased them, which, like I said, that is covered in my other video. And I've washed an entire load of towels, and it's coming off the rinse cycle, getting ready to go into the spin cycle. And here you can see it's starting to pick up a little bit. And what the machine does, it runs up to about half speed. I guess it's checking for balance to make sure everything's okay before it goes into full speed. And you'll see when I pan back around the difference. All right, and so right here is where it kicks into the higher speed, and this is going to balance out. And once it's up to 1500 RPMs, you'll see, for a complete load of wet towels, the machine is running amazing. You see that, you can see right there. I mean, that's hardly any vibration for what I have inside of it. I'll transition the video again, and it'll show it coming from this point and slowing back down, which you'll see the vibration pick up for a few seconds, and then the machine will stop. Key things to take away from this is, don't automatically assume those little shocks are bad. You can rebuild them, and like I say, I go into that detail in my other video. But I hope this helps somebody out there to give y'all an idea of what's good and what's bad. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm trying to get this thing off the ground. Thank y'all.